Welcome to our channel, Civil Engineering Basics. For more videos please subscribe, Civil Engineering Basics.
Hello friend, welcome to Civil Engineering Basics. My name is Milan. Today we are going to talk about the top most asked question during an interview of civil site engineer post. Please subscribe my channel, Civil Engineering Basics, for more interesting videos of civil engineering.
The first question is, what is minimum curing period of concrete? The curing period should be as long as practical. Environmental temperature plays very big part in the process of curing, as the hydration process is an exothermic reaction. Maintaining proper temperature is also very important, and it affects the duration of curing. For most concrete structures, the curing period at temperatures above 5 degrees Celsius should be a minimum of 7 days, or until 70% of the specified compressive or flexural strength is attained. The period could be reduced to 3 days if high early strength concrete is used and the temperature is above 10 degrees Celsius. The Indian standard is 456 to 2000, recommends that curing duration of concrete must be at least 7 days in case of Portland cement, at least 10 days for concrete with mineral admixtures or blended cements are used. It also recommends that the curing duration should not be less than 10 days for concrete exposed to dry and hot weather conditions, and 14 days for concrete with mineral admixtures or blended cement in hot and dry weather. The next question we discuss is, what is the density of 1 cubic meter cement? Density of cement in loose condition is 1,440 kilograms per cubic meter. The standard cement bag comes in 50 kilograms packing. So, the volume of one bag of cement is 0.0347 cubic meter. The next question we discuss is, why is concrete slump test carried out? Concrete slump test is to determine the workability or consistency of concrete mix prepared at the construction site during the progress of the work. Concrete slump test is carried out from batch to batch to check the uniform quality of concrete during construction. The slump test is the most simple workability test for concrete, involves low cost and provides immediate results. Generally, concrete slump value is used to find the workability, which indicates water-cement ratio, but there are various factors including properties of materials, mixing methods, dosage, admixtures etc. also affect the concrete slump value. The next question we discuss is, what is initial and final setting time of concrete? Initial setting time is that time period between the time water is added to cement and time at which 1 mm square section needle fails to penetrate the cement paste, placed in the Vicat's mold 5 mm to 7 mm from the bottom of the mold. Final setting time is that time period between the time water is added to cement and the time at which 1 mm needle makes an impression on the paste in the mold, but 5 mm attachment does not make any impression. For OPC 53 grade cement, initial setting time equals 30 minutes. Final setting time equals 600 minutes. The next question we discuss is, what do 53 stands for? 53 grade cement. 53 stands for the compressive strength of cement. For 53 grade OPC cement, The minimum compressive strength achieved by the cement at the end of the 28th day shouldn't be less than 53 megapascals or 530 kilograms/cm2. The next question is that, what are the causes of cracks in concrete? The main causes of cracks in concrete are, loss of water from surface of concrete may lead to surface cracks. Water lost by evaporation, absorption by subgrade, formwork and anhydration process. Bleeding of water from concrete. Delayed curing of concrete. Early frost damage. Unsound materials. Shrinkage. Mass concrete. Thermal expansion and shrinkage. The next question we discuss is: how can cracks in concrete be avoided? Cracks in concrete be avoided by using given solutions such as: reduce water content in concrete. Concrete expands and shrinks with changes in moisture and temperature. The overall tendency is to shrink. Shrinkage is the main cause of cracks. When concrete hardens, it evaporates the excess water and thus shrinks, so lesser the water content, lesser is the shrinkage. Proper curing of concrete. As soon as the concrete on slab sets, its general practice to make boundary with mortar on the slab and keep it filled with water. Cover slab with cotton mats soaked with water or spray on a curing compound also prevents loss of water. Proper placement and vibration of concrete. Properly placed, vibrated, finished concrete reduces the chances of producing cracks. Properly vibrate to release entrapped air, which later leads to cracks. The next question we discuss is: what is the minimum and maximum allowable percentage of steel in column? Longitudinal reinforcement shall not be less than 0.8% and shall not be more than 6%, but generally in practice it limit to 4%. The bars shall not be less than 12 mm in diameter.
Thank you so much for viewing this video. For more video on civil engineering, subscribe my channel. Civil Engineering Basics.